Want to make your tires last longer and save money in the long run? The secret is simple: regular tire rotation. Let's see why it's so important. Tire rotation is simply the process of moving your tires from one position on the car to another, like swapping the front tires with the back ones. This helps distribute wear more evenly across all four tires, making them last longer and perform better. Without regular rotation, the tires on your car can wear out unevenly. Front tires usually wear out faster because they handle most of the braking and steering. Rotating them helps ensure all four tires wear at the same rate, giving you better handling, fuel efficiency, and longer tire life. Most experts recommend rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, or about every 6 months. This can vary depending on your driving habits and the type of vehicle you have, so check your owner's manual for specific guidelines. Rotating your tires is an easy way to keep your car running smoothly and avoid unnecessary wear. So, if you haven't rotated your tires in a while, it's time to schedule that appointment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips.